Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. So this 2 weeks, we are doing a driveway with some steps, a patio, and a sidewalk. It's a pretty large project for us. It should take us about 2 weeks. A week prepping, the next week doing 2 pours. Stick around for the prep, the pour, the excavation, and thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. All right, guys, we have great weather today. We poured at 7 a.m., poured about a 4 slump. Since this is in the shade and the sun isn't going to hit it, we wanted to make sure it sets up by this afternoon. They're not saying it's going to rain, but better safe than sorry, especially when we're under a deck. On this side of the deck, water actually drips. That side over there, they put like this laminate or something, so nothing drips down, it stays dry. But we wanted to make sure it was nice and dry and just to make sure it was well taken care of. Tomorrow we have our last pour, the driveway over there. But so far everything's came out really nice. We will see you guys tomorrow at the next pour. See you later, guys. Keep it coming, brother. I'll tell you.
Ese chaval, ¿no?
Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. Last pour went well. We poured about a 5 slump at 7 a.m. with a little bit of accelerant. There it is, guys. This came out really nice. As you guys could tell at the beginning of the video, this was elevated like 3 or 4 feet. Really bad idea. So what we did is level with the driveway here and then some steps there around to that porch. Everything came out great. The customer seems very happy. We're very happy with the outcome. Now we're just gonna babysit it, make sure the rain doesn't get to it, but everything came out awesome. Next week we're doing a small patio, nothing too crazy, but we'll see you guys then. Don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe. There it is, guys. Take a look.